Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. So we're going to go ahead and talk about your heat transfer group presentations. This is all in preparation for our solar ovens, which we are going to start doing next week. Okay, so let's get to it. The first thing that we're going to talk about is what it is that you're doing. So you are going to be working in groups of 3 to 4. You're going to be working on a specific topic. Your topic is going to be what I assign as your heat transfer. Okay? Each student is going to have a role that is important, and you have a packet that gives you what those roles are and what you're going to say and what you're going to do. All of you will be creating a Google slide presentation of 4 slides, including the title slide. So you will have 3 slides of content and then 1 slide that's a title slide. Each student is going to have a specific slide question that they are in charge of. So each student is going to choose a claim, a different claim than the other people in their group. Their job will be to create a slide that has evidence to prove that claim with pictures as well. As it says, you can include bullet point descriptions. We will have 3 to 4 slides, and you're going to have 4 slides in total. You're going to include bullet point descriptions, at least 3 bullet points for each slide, and pictures that are on topic. So here are the claims. You also have this in front of you in your packet. Each one of you is going to choose a different claim. So if your heat transfer topic is conduction, then one person will get this claim, one person will get this claim, and the other person will get this claim. Okay? If you do convection, same thing. One person this, one person that, one person this. All right? Everyone is going to be talking about almost the same thing. These claims are about definitions. These claims are about examples. And these are about how it connects to a solar oven. Okay, let's move on. You have this in front of you, don't worry. Next thing, you will be able to get possible extra credit for 5 slides if you create a slide that shows one image and a small description of how solar cookers are used around the world, including in the United States. So for example, this is a picture that was taken in Nicaragua for people who use these solar ovens to cook their food. Again, this is in front of you. Where will you be getting your evidence to support your claim? You're going to have readings and images that you can choose to support your evidence. You have to highlight your evidence that you are using. Then you're going to write them down in your graphic organizer. Okay, those pieces of evidence, which again are 3. And then you're just going to write your bullet points already. Your bullet points are just going to re-explain your evidence. You have evidence that supports the claim. Now put that evidence in your own words in the bullet points. They can be short. You may use the internet for images only, no descriptions, okay? No descriptions, just pictures. Here are your jobs. You're also going to see these jobs in that packet that you got. There are 4 jobs: facilitator, resource manager, task manager, recorder. There are 3 to 4 people in a group. If your group is a group of 3, then your recorder and resource manager are the same person. That resource manager will just get this job. Okay? The facilitator is the one that creates the title slide. So they will be the ones who create that very first slide for you. Your resource manager asks questions and will double check your team slides. Your recorder or your resource manager, depending on how many people are in your group, will be in charge of creating a blank template, a new document, a new Google slide for you and your team, and then they will share it to everyone's email. This is what your title slide should look like. You have this in front of you. Up here in the title, the big box, you're gonna put your type of heat transfer. In the subtitle box, you're gonna put these things. The name of the people in your group go by scholar number order. So again, you will have 3 bullet point descriptions, 2 to 3 images per slide for all 3 claims. And then your extra credit if you like. Don't forget to include colorful images. Don't forget to make it a nice looking slide. And don't forget to add animations like this one. You just learned it yesterday, so use your new skills. Now you can answer the questions that are on the next page.